Financial planning in India. It sounds daunting, but it doesn't have to be. First, assess your current financial situation. Know what you have and what you owe. Next, set clear financial goals. Do you want to save for a home or your child's education? Step 3. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money goes. Invest wisely. Consider mutual funds or stocks to grow your wealth over time. Don't forget about insurance. Protecting your family is crucial in uncertain times. Finally, review your plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your financial strategy. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Start today for a secure tomorrow.